Okay, we've tried to set this burner up for running a 1/2-inch nozzle, and we kind of run into a limit on how efficient we could get the burn. Well, so why couldn't I get higher efficiency? We're looking at the head of the burner. You know, this is a Becky flame retention head, and let's look a little closer at this head. Okay, what I'm looking at is right here. See those slots? We've got these little slots here that are actually supposed to swirl the air, but I've got these slots out here too. This is an F3 head. That's a Beckett number. This is for nozzle sizes of 0.75 to 1.25 gallons per hour. So I don't have the right head on this burner. So to reduce the nozzle size down to 0.5, or I'll probably even try 0.4, I can't use this. It's too big. It puts too much air in there. It's not going to make an efficient burn. So I will show you what the F0 head looks like, because that's what we're going to put on. The F0 head is designed for 0.4 to 0.75 nozzles. This is by the way, this is on the AF and AFG model burner, and that's what this is. Okay, what I'm showing here is a couple of FO heads, and I'll get closer on them and I'll tell you the difference between the two. Okay, the difference between these two, I put my F3 head on here, and you can see the slots in this thing very easily. Now this one doesn't have them. That's the difference between those two heads. Now, I got another head here, and this is an FO head, but it's got a ceramic insulator around it. Some of the flame retention fires are very hot, and if they're hot enough, they will actually warp this head. So that insulator is just to keep the head from getting warped. So we'll probably try this one on the burner, and I'll show you what it looks like on the head. Okay, there we are with it mounted. It's not quite ready to go. There's another part that comes with this, and I'll show you what it is. Okay, I pulled the gun out of this thing. You can see it there. Now, this is the part I'm going to put in. Now, there's already one on it right here. If you look close, you can see there's one of those plates there. But this is the plate that comes with the F0 head, because what it's trying to do is control the airflow. And so it makes it has a larger piece, so it fits more tightly into the blast tube, and so you don't get quite so much turbulence in the air. So we're going to put that on. Okay, what I'm pointing out here with the gun, I've got the head off this thing so that you can see inside, and this plate right here, you can see the clearance between here and here. We're going to put this plate in there. Now, the reason we're putting this one in here is it cuts down some of that space and makes for a little less turbulence in the air. So I'll show you with it on. Okay, here's a look at the plates beside each other. Obviously this one's much larger and going to have less clearance, and I'll show you what it looks like when we put it inside. Okay, here you can see that inside the burner, you can see the reduced clearance around between it and the blast tube. That's how it's supposed to be set up for these small nozzles. We'll be trying it this way, and then there's some more adaptations I can make to this burner to make it a little more efficient.